I'm Josh from Brilliant Labs. For our Mission Mars competition, we're going to be hosting up to 5 events that are for your rovers to be sent to. Up to 4 of these locations are going to be in person in New Brunswick, where you're going to be able to mail your rover to or come in person and be able to compete on those dates. A 5th and final virtual event will be for anyone who needs to send their rover from any place across Atlantic Canada, where they can send either to this final event or to any of the other ones in New Brunswick. For the dates and specified times, be sure to check out our website and to look at your email, keep track of any email that is going to be coming from us to give more information as to the dates and how you can register. When you do register on those days, you're going to be required to register for a 45-minute slot. For the first 15 to 20 minutes, you'll be meeting with a team member at Brilliant Labs to troubleshoot your rover and make sure that it's online and ready to go for the final 5 minutes of your competition. For more information, be sure to check out all of our videos on our Video Ask platform and also be able to look on our website and look for any emails coming from us.